Here with Chris Cole from Brightway Insurance in Palm Springs and Boynton. Chris, with our snowbird population here in Palm Beach County, can you tell us the differences between primary homeowners insurance and maybe somebody that this is their seasonal or second home?
Yeah, definitely, and this is extremely important because a lot of times people are trying to maximize their savings and they think there's a dramatic cost difference between having a primary residence and a secondary residence. And the reality is it's more important that we write it correctly, because you could actually hurt yourself in the long run by designating your home as primary, and it really should be designated as a secondary. Because at the time of the loss, the adjuster is going to come out and they're going to ask questions on whether or not, how many months out of the year do you live in this home, and if it's not 9 months or more, it is not primary. And if it was written as primary, that claim could very well be denied. So it's extremely important that that each homeowner is honest and upfront with their current situation, how many months out of the year are they actually in the home versus not in the home, so that we can properly insure the home. And yes, there is a small surcharge as a secondary home, but that is really just to cover the months that you're not there. What we find is that when a person has a secondary home, that claims seem to be bigger than normal, and the reason is because when you're living in a house day in and day out and something happens, you see it. But when you're not living in a home day in and day out, you just don't see it. So what happens is claims seem to get way out of control and move from a $5,000 claim to a $50,000 claim. Also, this is extremely important. Every carrier that we have in this market mandates that if you are going to be outside of your home greater than 30 days, you must turn the water off. So remember, be honest and upfront with your agent about your situation. Let us write it right so that the money that you're paying for the premium to provide you the coverage that you want and you need, that they are there for you when you need them most.